how to get verified in Grabpay. Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to get verified in Grabpay. First, have a valid government ID ready. It accepts any of the following: passport, driver's license, NBI clearance, UMID, TIN ID, SSS, voter's ID, or postal ID. In the next step, launch the Grab app. Now, go into your Grabpay wallet by tapping on the payment icon on your bottom navigation bar. On your Grabpay wallet screen, tap on Confirm Your Identity. To confirm your identity, give your full legal name, birth date, place of birth, nationality, number of a valid government ID, and your home address. This process takes only 3 minutes. You only need to unlock the basic wallet. You can skip the wallet upgrade for now. Thank you guys for watching this video. Hope you got some value. Make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel to get notified of new videos. See you in the next one.